Okay, now let's start profit and loss. Profit. If you will be able to sell in more amount, then you will get profit. And if you sell in less price, you have to bear loss. SP is selling price. CP, it is cost price for shopkeeper. If a shopkeeper buys at 100, that is CP. If he sells for rupees 120, that is selling price. If profit is more, sorry, if SP is more, then we will get profit. So what is the formula of profit? Equals to SP minus CP. Now from these we can make different formula. For SP, profit plus CP. For CP, SP minus profit. This is for if SP is greater than CP. CP is more, then shopkeeper has to bear loss. CP minus SP. If SP is less than CP. Profit percent is equals to profit divided by CP into 100%. Profit by CP into 100%. Similarly, for loss percent, loss by CP into 100% can be used. Loss by CP to 100%. Now, if profit percent and CP are given, then for SP we can use SP is equals to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. But if loss percent is given, then we have to subtract 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Now to find CP, we can do cross multiply here. 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percent. And also PP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. Okay, copy this.